Good morning, traders. David with Alexander Trade and Investment Group. We have about 2 minutes until cash open, so hopefully are seeing my screen IWM. Let me get a little bit more prepared here. All right, so we're dancing around in balance or out of balance. Right now, we are slightly in balance of yesterday's profile. As far as the report, import and export prices are looking a little better than previous. We're above that zero line and trending higher, with the gold number or the line being current. White is previous, so we are definitely trending up and higher. So that's a good sign. Looking at the charts itself, I see that we are dropping in value and price, but I also see that we could be potentially buying up from the profile or the weekly profile of November 18th to the 22nd. And I want to see if new money comes in to defend this area, right? I have the weekly profile 11/18 to 11/22 was that weekly high with 40 seconds into cash. And you can see if I zoom in a little bit, new money came in at the end of that the 21st and bought up, right? And we kind of did that post market yesterday. And then looking at the receipts in real time here, 5,000 sellers with 12,000 in volume, then an uptick at 70. Now, let's talk about it later because we're about to open. But that's giving me a sign. So I want to see potential buy up. I'm going to wait until we get into possibly the 234.52 range to before I punch my ticket. 235 calls I have on deck. Opening now. Obviously, I'm waiting. And if we don't buy up, then I don't play, which is fine. And I'm not even going to test that. Okay, 234s, I do have that. There's no volume here. 234 is a little we're too close to there. So I'm gonna stick to the 235 calls. Make this a little bigger so I can see it. There we go. I got the 235 calls and I see that we are starting to react a little bit. Just gonna be a little patient here. 37 cent per contract. Uh, uh, Looks like I like that reaction, but it's not giving me what I want right now. That reaction is nice. All right, I'm getting close to wanting to enter. Close, but I'm not there yet. Fingers on the trigger. All right, I am in 40 cent per contract. Looking for a 50 potentially. At least that. That reaction was there, and I potentially could look for a second entry, but I just don't have it right now. This thing, there we go. I want to see us turn green. Then I probably will feel a little better with adding to it. Right now, I don't have the warm and fuzzies or adding to it. And I may not do that anyway, but I like potentially adding to it. Let me set it up just in case. All right, so I'm in profit 4 cent. If I can get half, I'm not even gonna think about adding. Okay, so we are in green. One more cent. Okay, cool. Got half. Moving my stop. All right. I should have added to it now. All right, so I moved my stop. I got 40 cent entry, 50 cent half. I moved my stop from 20 cent low to 42 just to capture profit. I mean, sorry, commission. I may move it up a little more. Oh, yeah, let's move it up to 44 so I can get a little extra. All right. So yeah, at this point, I've already made profit. It looks like it may be a half a day. Right now it's 50. Okay, 48. So I moved my stop to 44. So if it goes to 44, I at least made half of the day. Would love to make a full goal. I almost didn't play today because of Friday the 13th, a little superstitious, but and I think if we get to the 234.53 range, I may just move my stop up a little more. Yeah, so we have 51. I'm gonna move it up a little more just to capture more profit because I feel like that could be potential um resistance. So I moved it up to 48 to capture more profit. And I think we're gonna get stopped out from here. 40 is 50 now. I just moved it up to 48 and it is at 49. Now it's back up to 51. I should have added to it. I was working on setting it up, but I didn't set it. I didn't do it quick enough. But it's all right. One play, I still made half a goal. Again, I said I was gonna take it all at 234.53, didn't I? I should have took it all there. Gave me a little bit more profit. That's all right. 48 is my stop. We are at 50, 59, sorry, 49. Still 49. It looks like I'm gonna get stopped out on the second half, which is cool. Again, I made half goal. Move my stop to protect it. We are kind of defending this little bump of volume there. A cent away from it. I should have took it all here. I knew it. I should have took it all. Maybe gave me a little more, but we're good. Anyway, I may have. Yeah, not the best execution. I definitely should have took it all there. Again, I've cashed out, so I'm not on 75% of my trade. So we hit that again, I'm definitely gonna cash out. 234.53. It don't look like we're gonna get there. 51. 48 again is my last 25% of the trade. 60 is full goal. But if we do hit that 230, so we're 5 cents away. I'm gonna move that stop up a little bit just to capture more profit. It won't let me do it. Okay, there we go. I just moved it up a cent to 49. And I don't want to move my full take profit because you never know. What did I say? 234.53. Yeah, that's down here. That's all right. All right, that should be it. Yep, got stopped out. Let me double check. Oh, damn. Got stopped out and oh, I thought that was low. Oh, I'm seeing value coming in now, so never mind. Uh, okay. Let me hold on, close my door. I got my 4-year-old home today and she's excited about Christmas. I don't know if that picked up on the mic, but she is running around here singing jingle bells. Um, yep. So I am all the way out of everything. Let me check my order. So I got into the position at 40 cent per contract. I bought 235 calls at 40 cent, and I should have added on to it, but I didn't. Exited that trade at 52 cents. So they gave me an extra 2 cent on there. You gotta love that market slippage, don't you? And then the second half, I moved it to, they say I bought at 49. Why did I buy? Sure, I bought at 49. That's different. Did I hit the button twice? I may have hit it. I may have hit this thing twice. They say I bought 50 positions at 49 cent, but I sold it at 58. That doesn't make a lot of sense. I must have hit it. Did I hit it twice? Looks like this saying I bought at 937. That would have been this candle. Huh, that's weird. I don't remember hitting it twice. But anyway, I bought only did one, well, saying I did two plays, huh? All right, so I did one again, 40 cent per contract. I bought the 235 calls. Ooh, look at that now. 235 calls, sold at 50, sold 75% of my play at 52 cents. So I got an extra 2 cent. And then the other half was sold at 48. So I kept moving it up um to capture more profit, but they're saying I bought another 50 shares of 50 contracts at 49 cent. That's okay. But look at that. Look at that. Now it's at 64. See, that's all right. Again, I got my half. I'm confused about the second one though. I'm gonna have to call about that one. But the good old buy up. Again, we had definitely defended this profile of the 21st. Again, you can see profit or buyers. They bought it down and then buyers defended that area and bought up. We saw that on the 21st to the 22nd. And then we started to see a little glimpse of that on post market of yesterday. We had a huge drop in price and value IWM. And then right at 18:30, what is that? That is 6:30 p.m. We started to see buyers defend that, right? And started to come in. New money started to come in. Started to see that again at a pre-market this morning. They kept defending that area. Now I had this box here. Obviously, they spiked that no volume in real time and bought up. All right. They broke the extreme of yesterday. So we opened slightly in balance, I'm sorry, of yesterday. Spiked it this morning, no volume, no interest there. This line here, 233.94, that was the value high. No, that was that. What is this one? I think that's where they stopped doing business. Yep. They stopped doing business here November 21st at 11:30 and 12. So that's why I got that here. And I saw the reaction. Damn, I really should have added now that I'm thinking about it. That would have gave me even more profit. But half a goal and a little bit more than half because I moved my stop up to 42 at first to capture commissions and to protect my first profit, and then ended up moving it up to 48. So um, we are all set. As always, guys, I hope you guys find value in my videos. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to leave a comment, whether on here or on my other social medias, which is Instagram and Facebook. I will reply back. All right, guys, have a great one. Have a great weekend. We'll talk soon. Peace. If I can find the, there we go. All right, guys.